Hey friends, let's do River of Deceit guitar lesson by Mad Season. Now this one's for Marty. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting on the open G, 3rd fret on the B, then do 3, hammer onto 5, pull off to 3 on the B, G, 4, B3, back to G, 4, slide back to 2, pull off, then play 2. So play the 2, then open B, open G, play 2nd fret on the D, open G, and then just open G and B. And then we're playing the open D and G, hammer onto the 2nd fret on the D, and then back to open D and G. So that first part slowly. Then the start stays the same, open G, 3 on the B, 3, hammer onto 5, pull off to 3 on the B, G4, B3, G4, slide back to 2, pull off to the open. This time play the open D, 2nd fret G, then play the 2nd fret on the G, slide up to 4, pull off to the open, 2nd fret on the D, open G and B. So a little bit different there. Then do our open D and G, hammer onto 2D, back to open D and G. Now this next time, play 3rd fret on the B and the E, and then play the open G, 3rd fret on the B, hammer onto 5, pull off to 3. Back to G4, B3, G4, slide back to 2, pull off to the open. Play open D, 2nd fret G, play it again, slide up to 4, off to open, 2nd fret on the D, open B and G. That last one. Now there's a 2nd guitar coming in there. We're just going to play the 3rd fret on the E, do the hammer on and pull off on the E, 3, 5, 3, B, 5, back to 3 on the E, back to 5 on the B, slide back to 3, pull off to open, play the 3 again on the B, 3, slide up to 5, and then 4 on the G there. And that's the 2nd guitar, and that's the first part of the intro. Now let's have a look at the 2nd part. So we're going to start on this F chord, but just play the D, G and B string, pull off the 2nd fret off to the open on the G, and then play the open D and G, hammer onto the 2nd fret G. So we have, play the G open 2 times, then just play a G chord, down, up, down, down, open G, open D, do the G again, down, up, down, down, then play open D, open G, 3rd fret B, and then play open D, G and B. So the G, up, down, down. So this time we're going to play the F, 2nd fret pull off to the open, then then go up, down, 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 up, to G, down, up, down, down, up. And then we do that F again. Down, down, up to the G, down, up, down, down. Do our 003 to the open. Do our F with the pull off again, so it's pulling off back to an F sus2. Up, down, 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 up to the G, down, up, down. Then play 2nd fret A, 3rd fret A, open D. Back to the F again with the pull off. To our G, up, down, down, and then our open D, G, 3rd fret B, to our open D, G and B there. And that's our intro there. So this time we're doing that F again, pull off the 2nd fret to the open, then up, down, down. This time play the 3 on the D, open G, 1st fret on the B and hammer back onto the 2nd fret. Open D, then go to G, up, down, 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 up. So slowly. We do that through 4 times, then we have another 4 and he's just starting to build it a little bit more. We do the riff the same, so we're still doing the F pull off to the open. Down, this time we put an up down in there and put that little fill back in to the G, stays the same. So we do that slowly. Up, down. And we're just building as well there, and we do that for another 4, so we have the verse there 8 times. Starting on the open D, open G, 3rd fret B and E, come up 2 frets, then we're playing this D sus4 shape, but it ends up being a G sus4, so open D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B, 8 on the D, and then just go back to open 7, 8, 7. Do a down up, and then we're doing the pull off from the sus4 back to the D shape. Up, do that again, up, and then down up, so slowly, down up. Repeat the first part again, to our sus4, then just strum down there, then do our pull off again, and then just play that D shape to the D sus4 shape. Do the first one again. Now this time do the D shape to the D sus4 shape. Then to finish off, start stays the same again. To our D sus4 shape, to our D shape, do our pull off again, and then just play the D shape. And that's our pre-chorus there. we're doing that F with the pull off, up, down, down, and then do the hammer on back onto the second fret. Open D to our G, up, down, and then we're doing open G, third fret B, slide up to 5, back to 3, and then G, 4, slide to 2, pull off to open there. So from that G, do the start again with the F, the hammer on, to the G, up, down. This time we're going to do open G, open B, hammer on to the first fret. And then play the open G, first fret on the B, pull off to the open. And then the open D. And we do that through 2 times. And then again he starts to build on that F chord again. So now we have the pull off, up, down, down, up, down, do our next little fill with the hammer on. Open D to our G, up, down. This time play open G, third fret on the B, slide up to the 5th fret, 3rd fret on the E, back to 4th fret on the G, slide back to 2, pull off, do our F again the same, to our G, up, down. This time we're going to bend on the 2nd fret on the G and play the open B 2 times. Play it while the bend's up, release the bend and then just open G and B, do the F again, to the G, up, down, down, up, down. This time just do open G, first fret B, pull off to the open and then open G, the F again, to the G, up, down, down, and just an up on the G to finish. And that's our chorus there. So this time the verse has got all the fills in it. We do the F the same as the chorus each time. To the G, down, up, down. We're going to have the fill, open G and B, hammer onto 1, open B, and then play 5, pull off to 3, pull off to the open on the B. Do the F the same again. To the G, up, down. This time just do the 1B, open G, pull off to the open G, the F the same again. Just do the G, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Then do the F the same again. To the G, down. This time play open G, 3rd fret B, then go back to 1st fret and then open G and B. F the same again. To the G, up, down. This time we do the fill similar to the chorus, open G, 3 on the B, slide up to 5, back to 3, G, 4, 2, open, back to the F, to the G. Just strum here like we did previously. Back to the F the same. To the G, down, up, down. This time do open G and B, hammer onto the 1st fret B. Play open G again, 1st fret on the B, G and B together, pull off to the open. And then we have the F again the same. G, down, up, down, then just play open D, 2nd fret on the A there, and that's our next verse. From there we just go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same. And for our outro we do the F the same again, to the G, down, up, down, open G, first fret on the B, pull off to the open G, so it's a fill we've done before, back to the F the same again, G, up, down, and do that same fill again that we did previously, 3, slide up to 5, 3, G, 4, 2, open, F again, G, up, down, again do the first fill, back to the F again, the G, down, up, down, up, to the F again, back to the G, down, and the same fill we did with the 3, slide up to 5 again, back to the F the same, to the G, down, up, and there's a second guitar coming in on that G. It's just doing 5, slide up to 7 on the G, and then 7 on the E 2 times. And then to finish off, this is going to repeat all the way through to the end. We do the F the same again. This time do G, up, down. Go to the 2nd fret on the E string. So we're doing a G major 7 and then back to the G, up, down, up. And we keep repeating that to the end. And repeat that to the end, and that's all the part C. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed River of Deceit guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 90s rock, glam, grunge and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.